So if you have an old license plate that brings back memories, let me show you how to make a sentimental bird feeder. Easy peasy. Hey, every time we see the birds, we'll think of that crazy old bird. Everything's going to be 45s, but I'll cut my 45 sides, and then we'll do some experimenting. How's that sound, Eric? Bring it! Wow, he sounds like a jerk. I hate to work for that guy. Loopy today. 45. This is gonna be the angle of my roof. It's not gonna be this tall, but this way you can get the idea. That'll be my roof. So that's the width of the license plate. So if we left it like that, it would be right on the edge. We want a little bit of overlap, so we're gonna go about a ½ inch in there. That's what I want. 3 3/4 about-ish. I'm going to cut my back pieces while I'm at it. Okay, and because these are my back pieces and it's going to be at a 45-degree angle, I want to cut a 45 like this on the edge like this. So let me show you how I do that. Double bevel miter box. So I'm going to turn this to 45. See right here, just line this arrow. And then I just got to check my fence is in the way right here. There. So nothing in the way. And then all I do is take my piece. This is going to be the top of my roof, so I need that angle. Do the same on this one. And then I'm just going to cut my length. I'm going to go with what I have. So I'm just going to trim this dog ear off and go about this tall. So that'll be my back. These will be my sides. So I'm just going to mark my sides right now and cut those. Going to match up the 45 there and make a mark on the bottom. I just need a square cut for the bottom. I just need a bottom to it, and that I think will work perfectly. I just need to cut this thickness off of this. That's easy. I need to remove that much of the bottom. Just need Mr. Brad and some nails. Glue. Okay, so I'm just going to glue that together for giggles. You wouldn't need to. And I probably should do Titebond 3 because it's going to be outside. But Titebond 2 is kind of waterproof somewhat, so good enough. Cedar, totally rot resistant, which is nice. I'm going to push that edge down, line it up nice. Watch your fingers. And again, this isn't connected at all. Glue is your friend on this one. And this was going to be my bottom. Usually wouldn't care about smoothing it out, but I didn't want it to drip while I was putting it in place. What did they always say on the A-team? I love it when a plan comes together. If you just keep it together like that, beautiful. We just need a little piece in the front to hold the bird seed, so we're just going to cut a strip of this off, or I actually have one. Need it this length. Then I just need to figure out how I want to attach this. I wonder if a brad would go through the metal. Watch yourself. Risky. I got safety glasses on though. Nice. Might have to put a couple screws in. I'm going to do at least 2 screws. I'm worried about the wind pulling the license plate roof off with just the brad nails, so I'm going to add just a couple little screwsies. They are square bit. Obnoxious when you have a long bit on an extension. Like that. I need to pre-drill the license plate just to add 2 more screws. There, this roof's not coming off. Nice. All right. I'm going to put a hole in the side and then get a wire. I want it to be similar. Mama would have turned 100 in January. That's not. I've been building tomato trellises. This is all I got left of my wire. I'm just gonna do that and then take your pliers and make a little curly cue. And you just want enough to be able to hang it on your shepherd's hook or whatever you got out in the garden. That's pretty good. And then just do the pliers tornado. Just making a notch for the wire. Now when there's a little bit of tension on there, stay nice and good. So we upcycled Mama's license plate for G-Mama into a bird feeder. Every time we see the birds, we'll think of Mama Jamma.
Oh my gosh. Nana's smiling right now.